Lake's looking a little bit low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 steps down to the lake. And we're going to take a look at these jet skis because I'm told the batteries are dead. So we're going to take these batteries out, test them, charge them up, and put them back in, and hopefully they'll work. Got your little pull lever here to release the back cushion. Same thing on the back of this cushion, there's a release as well. And underneath here is a battery storage compartment. And there's a battery down there. And these have bolts on top, but they also have a Phillips screwdriver head. These two rubber tie-down straps so the battery doesn't bounce around in the back of the machine when you're driving. Just gonna move that over so that I can get a better angle on getting both of those screws out. Okay, I got the positive disconnected, but I'm going to put that screw right back in so I don't lose the nut that's below it when I take this battery out. There's a little floating nut behind it that you could lose if you pick this up on an angle. Take the ground cable off, put the bolt back. Rule number 1, don't drop anything in the bottom here. You'll never find it. You drop your screwdriver, you drop your bolts. In fact, there's little holes here. Good place to set your screwdriver down. It won't get lost. Okay, that's that. That's how you remove the battery from your jet ski. And right now it's May of 2021. Looking for a date on this battery. Don't see a sticker, so I really don't know how old they are. These look like a Walmart special here. This Walmart. All right, we'll go get them on the test. Take it to a test on them, and then get them on the charger overnight. All right, so I got multimeter. Just set it on DC 20. I'm just go ahead and test these, see if I get anything. So we're showing 11.7 here, so that's hopeful. And 11.7 here as well. So hopefully just get these on the charger and we'll be in good shape. So the charger I'm going to use is this battery tender. This is like, I think they've gone up. They're like 40, 50 bucks now, but these things are great. This is blinking green at me now, telling me that this small battery here is 80% charged and doing the last amount. And then these are great. You can just leave it on all the time and it'll do a trickle charge and keep your batteries from depleting over the winter. So I highly recommend these. I'll put a link to it in the description of the video where you can find them on Amazon. So this one here charged overnight and it gave me a go, and then this one is just finishing up. You can see it's got flashing green, which means only 20% left to charge. It's got at least an 80% charge right now. And on this one here, that went overnight. It's showing 12.88 volts, so that looks good. Hopefully these are both good batteries. Put them back in the jet ski and fire them up. All right, so we got our batteries. Go put these back in the jet skis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37. So we gained, what was that? 6 feet. Had a lot of rain last week. Lake might be getting filled up again. Go ahead and put our battery in here. There's a little rubber tray that sits on the bottom there. I'm gonna want to tuck these straps, tuck them up behind this capacitor up here, just to kind of hold them up and out of the way, like that. And then make a hole there for your battery cable, between your battery cables. And then I'll slide this in and fit it into that rubber tray on the bottom. It'll fit in there really snug. And then bring down your tie down straps. All right. And then you got to try to pull your tie down straps from way in the back. They're thick rubber. Give you some slack, and then the front will attach somewhat easy. There's one. I'm going to pull it up. And then there's 2. All right, so that's really the hard part. Now I'm gonna do the negative first. Take that screw out and don't drop it, don't lose it. Flying kind of low. That's all right. We like helicopters around here. All right, got my negative all lined up. Put the screw in there. Go ahead and do the red. Put that rubber boot cover back on, and there we go. Alright, so there you go. That's how we change out the battery in the jet ski and get it fired up again. Hey, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. And have a great day.